So we're here doing, what year is this, Kev?
I don't know.
Well, it's another Hot Rod AMG with the matte finish, and we are installing a trunk ledge guard. And you can see how Kev's mapped it out. Spray a little slip, just make sure nothing's under the film. And he's got it tacked on the other side because you need to put a little bit of stretch on it so it can kind of just lay in there. So now what we're doing here is just trimming off the excess, and which will allow it to just kind of fold right in. It also helps dry it out. It helps get some of the moisture out. And honestly, you just don't need all that much. You obviously want to always prepare extra, so you don't want to start with a really short piece. Take a slip. Right now, Kev is going ahead and cutting it along the tape line right there. And remember to practice this before you go on any customer's cars. Ain't that right, Kev?
Yep.
And don't disturb somebody while we're cutting. Just you guys are good. Silky smooth, huh? That looks good. Okay, so what now Kevin's doing is trimming up the top. He's got the bottom all set, got the tape off. Remember, do try this at home on your own cars. Lots of practice. And basically going nice and steady, following the line, and use body lines as much as you can to help you. Get off the lights on. No, that's pretty good. I was gonna go. Okay, what Kevin's doing now is he cut it, gives it a little wipe. Kind of checks for things and goes really nice and slow. Alright, and once you're done, always give it a quick wipe. Well, not quick, but give it a wipe. Make sure all the water's gone. This paint protection film tends to hold a lot of water. And there you see he's spraying it down with alcohol, just to make sure, you know, it all gets flushed out. All the soap and whatnot.